风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。Joseph，
Hey， 你好上班吗？
我在哪上班吗？
不是，你喜欢上班吗？
我当然喜欢啦，今天就要上班吗？
是啊。
OK， 上班怎么说？
上班。
上班 OK, that's going to work 啊。
刚刚问你哦，你在哪里上班
？ICRT。对啊 I know. Alice asked me, where do you work? So 你在哪里上班怎么说？
在哪里上班？
在哪里上班？那如果要回答是我在银行上班的话呢？那怎么说？
我在銀行上班。
我在銀行上班。Okay, for those who work in the finance industry, 銀行 is bank. 銀行。Let's review some of the terms, such as going to work, 上班 But where do you work? 哪里上班哪里上班 And maybe it's the bank, 银行 銀行 Okay, in my case, it's ICRT. Well, there you have it. Another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什么大家？
汉字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.